Computer starts sneezing every few seconds, and everyone laughs because it looks harmless, almost like a quirky little glitch. Sneezes turn into delays, and simple tasks begin to stall. A file opens halfway, freezes, and then refuses to move no matter how long you wait. Someone says, "Just restart it." It works for a minute, but then the sneezing comes back, and now the whole system feels tired, sluggish, and ready to give up again. When the room stops guessing and starts checking the source, because hiding the symptom never fixes the cause. They dig deeper, follow the warning signs, and find the real problem hiding inside the machine. The virus gets cleared, the screen steadies, and the machine finally runs clean again. The lesson is simple. Small warnings are loud for a reason. Deal with them early, before they spread and turn into something bigger. Comment virus if you are done ignoring small warnings.